Hi, this is Crystal with Gigantic Software. Let's make some sound effects for a sci-fi shooter using Varantic. First, select 3 wave files and drag them in. To hear what they sound like, we'll audition them in Varantic. Here's the first. Here's the second. And here's the third. Got that? Now, Varantic has created a probabilistic model of the sounds that it can use to generate an unlimited set of sound effects. They're all similar to the inputs, but not exactly the same. To learn more about Varantic, visit us at giganticsoftware.com and remember to like us on Facebook.